Simple Interest Video 5. We will calculate in this video for the missing value for principal. And I can see from our previous lesson that I forgot to shade some of these blank cells. So I'll go ahead and do that now. That's a good review for us. Control C to copy. Hold down the Control key. Click in the remaining blank cells for principal. And then press Control V. Now our previous lesson is complete and ready to go. So let's take a look here. We have our formula I equals PRT. Interest equals principal times rate times time. But in this lesson, we have some missing values within the formula. We know what the interest is, the I, but in this case we are missing the P, principal. So how do we solve for that? Well, those of you from algebra class have learned that you can rearrange these formulas. And so we could take and divide both sides by RT, leaving P all by itself, and then rearrange so that it's P equals I divided by R times T. Well, let's see how that might work. We need to find this missing value here, so we're going to utilize this formula to find P within the I equals PRT formula. So we'll start with that equal sign. Click on I, interest. So it's going to be interest divided by. Now we have to be careful here in that we have learned in our algebra class that we have to use parentheses to control the order of operations. So we've got to put R times T in parentheses to make sure that the R times the T, the multiplication, occurs before the division. R is our 13% times T. And put that in parentheses. And you should have calculated $1,909.09. So for the remainder of this video, go ahead and calculate the principal for loans 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And that will conclude video 5, calculating for the missing amount of principal utilizing the simple interest formula.